Hello, welcome to episode 156 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to cover the minor pentatonic scale. And I'll do it in A, and I'll play it first for you, then I'll break it down a little bit. I'm going down. So pentatonic scale means that there are 5 notes in an octave. So in here between the A and the A, we've got 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the last note is the same as what you started with. Alright, so. Okay. And this is an extremely useful scale. You've heard it all the time. Many blues players use it. Almost all rock players will use it. Really any kind of style you can use this scale. And this is a very common fingering it, so very good to know. It's also good for the right hand, just for picking through. It's 2 notes on every string. I'll play it very slow for you so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So, low E string, 5th fret, 8th fret, 2nd string, 5th fret, 7th fret, 3rd string, 5th fret, 7th fret, 4th string, 5th fret, 7th fret again, 5th string, or the B string, 5th fret, 8th fret, high E string, 5th fret, 8th fret, okay? Okay, like that. And it's also a nice thing to work on your hammer on, so just pluck the first note, hammer on the second. And try to get it as strong and regular as you can. You can also do it with pull-offs. So starting on the higher note and pulling off the lower one. Like that. It's a great exercise. Get this under your fingers and you'll use it the rest of your life, I promise you. Again, it's the minor pentatonic scale. Well, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.